Dreaming is easy, but the time, sacrifice, and determination required to turn those dreams into reality are known only to those who are wholeheartedly committed to a purpose. Today, we are talking about a dream not just one person's, but a dream shared by millions. A purpose, a vision, a pledge. Onpassive. Onpassive is not an ordinary company. It is a digital revolution. It is a platform that aims to make businesses worldwide automated, modern, and effective through the power of artificial intelligence, AI, a complete ecosystem built for those who want to progress with the changing times. Onpassive is not just a company but a complete ecosystem, where tools and services are being developed using AI and cutting-edge technologies to make our daily lives easier and more efficient. Onpassive's goal is to provide a platform that brings ease and automation to every aspect of life, from business to education and personal endeavors. Behind this is a vision designed to benefit every individual who seeks to carve a place in the digital world. The person who has turned this grand vision into reality deserves our salute for their tireless hard work, dedication, and resolve. Mr. Ashmafare, a leader who made empowering others the purpose of his life. Ashmafare says, "I want everyone to have equal opportunities, and Onpassive is the result of that vision." Friends, this is the mark of a true leader, one who thinks more about others' success than their own. He dreamed, worked day and night for it, and moved forward, crushing obstacles underfoot. He didn't just build a company, he built a family. Hours. Mufare's foresight and sincerity are a source of pride for us all. He had a dream to make technology accessible to everyone and to bring it to life. He made immense sacrifices. His vision and unwavering belief have brought Onpassive to a point where it is ready to bring change on a global scale. Mr. Ashmafare has not only created a technology company but also laid the foundation for a community that believes in mutual cooperation and each other's success. Under his leadership, Onpassive has overcome every obstacle and stands today on a solid foundation. Those who doubted, mocked, or spread mistrust, they are silent today and will be astonished tomorrow. We must not pay heed to their words. We must trust in our dream, our company, and our leader. Dear friends, the time we've all been eagerly awaiting is now close to its official launch. This will not be an ordinary launch. It will write a new chapter in the digital world. After years of hard work, research, and development, Onpassive is preparing to enter the market with its remarkable products and services. This launch will not merely announce a company's start but will mark the beginning of a new era, where you will have access to state-of-the-art, AI-powered tools and platforms that will enhance your work and business. Manifold. Onpassive's vision is not just to provide technology but to empower every individual. In this journey, the patience and perseverance shown by Onpassive's founders are commendable. Their steadfastness made this journey possible. They held on to their belief even in tough times, and that is the foundation of their success. The founders trusted Onpassive's vision, contributed to its growth, and today their patience is about to bear fruit. It is these founders who lived this dream as their own and supported it in every way. Their patience is not only a guarantee of their own success but also a key pillar of Onpassive's triumph. This patience, this faith, this dedication is worthy of praise. That every founder is a hero because you didn't lose courage even in challenging circumstances. We salute the founder, leaders of Onpassive who guided their groups and uplifted their members. Even in difficult times, they laid the foundation for a strong community and provided guidance at every step. It was these founder leaders who spread Onpassive's message to thousands and made them part of this vision. Their hard work and dedication have given Onpassive a robust network and community. They shared their knowledge and experience to benefit everyone and fostered an environment where everyone helps one another. A unique aspect of Onpassive's story is the mutual loyalty between the company and its founders. This is a relationship built on trust and a shared vision. The company has left no stone unturned to fulfill the promises made to its founders, and the too stood by the company in the toughest times. This loyalty has made Onpassive internally strong and paved the way for it to become one of the world's most successful companies. This bond is not merely business, it is like a family, where everyone desires each other's progress. Now, let's talk about those founder leaders who are at the forefront of Onpassive's journey. These leaders not only believed in themselves but also kept their teams united. Their perseverance, leadership, and passion are the foundation of Onpassive's success. They stayed awake at night, trained their teams, and faced every challenge head-on to reach this point. They proved that when there is passion in the heart and a clear vision, no obstacle can stop you. So today we all salute these founder leaders. You are an inspiration to us, friends. One secret to Onpassive success is the strong bond between the company and its founders. That this relationship is rooted in loyalty, trust, and a shared vision. Onpassive has always valued its founders, and the founders have always trusted the company's vision. This mutual loyalty is what has brought Onpassive to this stage. Ashmafare says, "We are all one family, and together we will achieve success." This loyalty, this unity, is Onpassive's strength, and it will take us far in the future. Friends, the time is near when Onpassive's sun will illuminate the entire world. This good time is not just for Onpassive's founders but for everyone who becomes part of this platform. Imagine a world where every business gets equal opportunities, where financial freedom is everyone's right, and where AI technology makes every difficulty easier. Dear friends, the time is not far when you will witness Onpassive's success with your own eyes. Good times are coming, and this is a harbinger of joy for all of you. After Onpassive's launch, countless opportunities will open up where you can not only achieve financial stability but also walk step by step with cutting-edge technology. This launch has the potential to bring a positive transformation to your life, providing facilities you never even imagined. During this time, you may hear negative remarks from some people. Don't pay attention to the critics. These people try to obstruct every new and great success. Onpassive's success is far above their words. Stay focused on your goal and believe in Onpassive's vision. Remember, when something big is about to happen, opponents arise, but your success will be the resounding answer to all negativity. Now, as Onpassive's launch is just around the corner, prepare for it. Get ready for this new digital era. With Onpassive's launch, a new era will begin, where businesses will run automatically and every individual will have equal opportunities for success. It's time for us all to prepare for this massive transformation. Together, Onpassive will provide you with all the tools and opportunities to reach new heights of success. Every service and product is designed to make your life easier. Update your knowledge and learn more about Onpassive to fully benefit from it. Dear friends, the fruit of patience is sweet, and your patience is about to bear fruit. A new sun is about to rise, a new morning, new hopes. Through Onpassive, your journey will set forth on the highway to success. Believe in yourself and move forward. This is just the beginning. Every successful journey starts with trust, and we have begun that journey. Onpassive is coming not just as a project, but as a life-changing dream. Remember, everything will change. Onpassive is yours, ours, everyone's. The time and faith you invested it will now bear fruit. Congratulations, your time is coming. Ashmafari and his team are working day and night to prepare for this launch. Everything is being tested. Every product is being refined, so that when Onpassive launches, it becomes a landmark platform for businesses worldwide. In the end, I will only say this: everything will be alright. The fruit of your patience is about to be yours. Onpassive is a future where everyone can succeed. Under Mr. Ashmafari's leadership and with the patience and loyalty of the oath, Onpassive is set to write a glorious success story. History is made by those who believe in their dreams, who don't lose courage, and who keep moving forward. So keep your eyes on your goal and continue your journey with Onpassive. Onpassive is about to begin, and when it does, the world will see what wonders we have achieved. The time has come. Yes, Onpassive is now ready to appear before the world in its full form. This is the moment for which we all prayed countless times, made sacrifices, and waited anxiously. The moment has arrived when the page of destiny is about to turn.